This video we are going to answer for class 8th science. In the previous video we have answered up to 45 questions. Now in this video we are going to answer from 46th question. The 46th question is state laws of reflection. So reflection the laws galanna helana. The first law of reflection. So let us write the first law. So first law of reflection ಏನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ? The angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection. Angle of incidence ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೋ angle of reflection ಕೂಡ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಈಗ ಬರೆಯೋಣ, angle I is equal to angle R. This is first law. ಈಗ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಐ 45 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಆರು ಕೂಡ 45 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಲಾಗೆ ಬರೋಣ. ಸೊ ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಲಾ ಆಫ್ ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಷನ್, ದ ಇನ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ರೇ, ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ರೇ and reflected ray all lie in the same plane. So this is called as second law of reflection. Now let us move for the 47th question. That is, what are incident ray, reflected ray and normal ray, angle of incidence and angle of reflection? So now let us define all these things. The first thing that we have to define is what are incident ray. So incident ray andre enu? This is the first one. So what is incident ray? The light ray which strikes any surface. The light ray which strikes any surface is called incident ray. Next, reflected ray. So what are reflected ray? The ray that comes back from the surface. The ray that comes back from the surface after reflection. Next, what is normal ray? What is normal ray? So normal ray ನಾವು ಹೀಗೆ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. A line making an angle 90 degree to the striking surface is called normal ray. Next, angle of incidence. So what is angle of incidence? An angle between incident ray and normal ray. The angle between incident ray and normal ray is called angle of incidence. Next, angle of reflection. The angle between reflected ray and normal ray. The angle between reflected ray and normal ray is called as angle of reflection. So now let us move for the next question, that is 48th question. What is the angle of reflection if the angle of incidence is 45 degree? Nodi, for 48th question ke hogana. So in the 48th question they have given the angle of incidence as 45 degree. If angle of incidence is 45 degree, what is angle of reflection? So according to first law, modale law prakara angle I estiruttೋ angle R ಕೂಡ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ if angle A is equal to angle R, then angle R is also equal to 45 degree. So like this we have to find out the angle of reflection. Now let us move for 49th question. The 49th question is, what is lateral inversion? So lateral inversion andre ಏನು? So now let us answer for this question. So lateral inversion means an image formed by a mirror. The left of the object appears on the right and the right appears on the left. Right appears on the left. So ಬಲಗೈ ಎತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಎಡಗೈ ಎತ್ತಿದಂಗೆ ಕಾಣಿಸೋದು, ಎಡಗೈ ಎತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಬಲಗೈ ಎತ್ತಿದಂಗೆ ಕಾಣಿಸೋದು. That is called as the left looks like a right and the right looks like a left. That is called lateral inversion. So now let us move for 50th question, that is what is regular reflection? So regular reflection andre ಏನು? So let us answer what is meant by regular reflection. So the reflection from a smooth surface, like that of a mirror is called as, that is regular reflection. Now let us move for 51st question. What is irregular reflection? So irregular reflection andre ಏನು? So irregular reflection is defined as when all the parallel rays reflected from a surface, from a rough or irregular surface are not parallel, such a reflection is called irregular reflection. So now let us move for 52nd question. The 52nd question is, what is dispersion of light? So light na dispersion andre ಏನು? The dispersion of light is defined as the splitting of light into its colors. The splitting of light into its colors is called as dispersion of light. Now let us move for 53rd question. That is 53rd question. Dash is a natural phenomenon of showing dispersion. So natural phenomenon anta ಕೇಳಿಯೇನೆ. So dispersion a natural phenomena ಯಾವ್ದಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, that is rainbow. Rainbow is a natural phenomenon of dispersion of light. Now let us move for 54th question. What is cornea, iris, pupil, lens, retina, optic nerve? Now let us define one by one. Let us know about what is cornea, what is iris, what is pupil, what is retina, everything. Let us explain one by one. The first is called cornea. So what is cornea? The transparent front bulged part of eye is called cornea. Then second one is what is iris? Iris andre ಏನು? Let us define what is iris. A dark muscular structure, which control the size of the pupil, and which gives color to eyes is called iris. Then the third one is pupil, a small opening through which light enters into the eye is called pupil. Next, let us move for the next one. What is a lens? So lens andre ಏನು? So lens is a transparent material by which light rays will be focused on the back of the eye. So this is about lens. Now let us know about the next one is called as that is retina. So next let us know what is retina. So retina andre ಏನು? What is retina? So retina is the screen of the eye where image is formed. Next, optic nerve. So what is optic nerve? The nerve which carry information from retina into the brain is called optic nerve. So this is about all these are related to eyes. Now let us move for the next question. That is 55th question. What are rods and cones? So rods and cones andre ಏನು? So now let us answer question number 55th question. So what are rods and cones? So first rods ge barana. So rods are the light sensitive cells which are sensitive to dim light. Then what are cones? The light sensitive cells, the light sensitive cells, the light sensitive cells which are sensitive to bright light, which are sensitive to bright light. They are called cones. So now let us move for 56th question. So 56th question ಏನಿದೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋಣ. So the 56th question is, that is what are 56th is what are blind spot. So blind spot andre ಏನು? So now let us know what is a blind spot. So blind spot na ಹೀಗೆ define ಮಾಡೋಣ. At the junction of optic nerve, at the junction of optic nerve and the retina, there are no sensory cells, so no vision is possible at that spot, and it is called blind spot. Now let us move for 57th question. The 57th question is what are the steps taken to care our eyes. So ನಮ್ಮ ಐನ ಕೇರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಏನೇನು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ತಗೊಂತೀವಿ. So now let us answer 57th question. The first point is, if advised, use suitable spectacles. This is the first one. Next, too little or too much light is bad for eyes. So we should not read or write in dim or bright light. It will cause strain to our eyes. So this is the second point. Now let us move for the third point. So ಮೂರನೇ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಗೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ. So the third point is that do not look at the sun or a powerful light directly. So this is the third point that you have to write. Then fourth point, never rub your eyes. So these are the some of the points that you can apply to care your eyes. Now let us move for 58th question. The next question is the most popular resource for visually challenged person. The right answer for this question is Braille. So for 58th question, the right answer is Braille. Now let us move for 59th question. So let us answer the 59th question. The 59th question is, what is astronomy? So what is astronomy? The study of celestial objects, the study of celestial objects and associated phenomena and associated phenomena is called astronomy. Now let us move for 60th question. The 60th question is what are the phases of the moon? So now let us answer the 60th question. What are the phases of the moon anta ide. The various shapes of the bright part of the moon as seen during a month is called as phases of the moon. Now let us move for 61st question. Can any life exist on the moon? Why or why not? ಸೊ ಮೂನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಲೈಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರೆಯೋಣ, ನೋ. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಗಿವ್ ದ ರೀಸನ್. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ the first point is it has on the moon it has no atmosphere. If the life has to exist, there should be atmosphere. One. Second point is that it has no water. So water kuda illa. So these are the 2 points that you can write. Then let us move for 62nd question. Can we hear any sound on the moon? Why or why not? So can we hear any sound on the moon? So our answer is again no. So let us write the answer, because due to absence of atmosphere, because there is no air medium to carry the sound. So sound carry ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಂ ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಏರ್ ಅನ್ನುವಂತಹ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಂ ಬೇಕು. So there will be no air and hence no sound will be heard. Then coming to 63rd question. That is ನಾನು 62nd question, ಸಾರಿ, ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ 63rd, sorry, this is 63rd. ಸೊ 62nd question ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಸಾರಿ, ಒಂದು ಸ್ಕಿಪ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಯಾವುದಂದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಹೇಳಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು ನಾನು ಫಸ್ಟು. ಹೂ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡೆಡ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಮೂನ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಇದು 62nd. ಈಗ ನಾನು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು 63rd. Now I am going to answer the 62nd. Who landed on the moon for the first time anta ide. So for that one our answer is Neil Armstrong, an American astronaut. So this is the answer for 62nd question. Now I am moving for 64th question. 64th question is, what is a balanced diet? So now let us answer what is meant by balanced diet. The meals that include proteins, fats, carbohydrates, and vitamins in requisite proportion is called balanced diet. Now let us move for 65th question. So 55th question is, why junk foods like chips should not be used more? So now let us answer this question. Because junk food, because they means junk food, they do not have adequate nutritional value, because they does not contain whatever the nutrition required for our body, that will be not present in that one. So now let us move for 66th question. What are good conductors? The materials which allow electric current to pass through them are called good conductors. Example: copper, aluminium, etc. So in this video we have answered totally from 46 to 66th question. Remaining part of the questions will be answered in the next video. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Those are not subscribed, please subscribe my channel. Those who already subscribed, watch my videos, like my videos and share my videos. So thank you very much.